Hello and thanks for joining us. This is Sav at AirMart, Aircraft Sales and Brokerage, and this is our Friday Flyby. This week we are featuring a wonderful 1978 Piper Turbo Aero 3. The Turbo Aero 3 features Piper's straight tail configuration, not the T-tail configuration, and is powered by Continental's TSIO 360 engine. This airplane has only 159 hours since major overhaul by Western Skyways in 2019, where that engine was converted to the FB variant. This recently redone interior has leatherette gray seating front and back, redone side panels, and a dark navy blue carpet. The panel features Garmin's GNC420W WAAS navigator and a Lynx NGT 9000 for subscription-free ADS-B in and out, weather and traffic, as well as Piper's Auto Control 3B autopilot. Engine instrumentation can be monitored with Electronics International's engine monitoring system on a canted panel that faces the pilot. Visit our website, follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.